everyone, welcome back to yet another video. My name is Kani and today we are going to be making homemade buttermilk. So sometimes it happens that you didn't buy enough buttermilk. So what happens then? If I told you if you can just make some yourself, would you believe me? Today we're going to make some ourselves. Alright, so all we need is 2 ingredients, okay? We need milk and we need vinegar. You can also use the juice of a lemon. Alright, so the measurements go as follows. I've got a jug here. I'm going to pour my milk into this jug and measure 1 cup. Alright, so let's start. So I see my 1 cup. You see how liquidy this milk is? After we're done making this buttermilk, it's going to be nice and thick, just like buttermilk. Alright, so I'm getting a tablespoon so that we can measure our vinegar. The juice of a lemon, also 1 tablespoon of the juice of 1 lemon. Now we're going to use vinegar, white vinegar. I'm going to pour my 1 tablespoon of vinegar in the milk. Alright, and that's it. You want to give that a stir. Alright, just give it a stir maybe for about 30 seconds. Alright, give it a stir. We just want to make sure that the vinegar incorporates very well with the milk. Into the milk, sorry. Alright, so I can see it's already feeling a bit thicker. So I'm going to leave that. And after this, we're going to leave this to set for about 20 minutes. And afterwards, I'll come back and show you how it looks. Alright, so there we have our buttermilk. It's ready. I'll come closer so you can see how it has thickened. Alright, so as you can see, you can even see the thickening part there. So it's really thick. It's buttermilk thick. See there? It's literally buttermilk now. Alright. Alright, so here's our buttermilk. So I do use buttermilk for my chocolate cake, my vanilla cake, and my red velvet cake. Alright, so I prefer using buttermilk instead of full cream milk because of the acidity that exists in buttermilk and even amasi actually. Alright, so thank you so much for tuning in today. Do like and subscribe and leave a comment if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.